Sunday, March 24, 2019. This is Mercedes Diesel Guy, and this is my 1998 Volvo S70 base model project car, and it is done. So I was working on the car a bit Friday night, and I actually got it out on the road yesterday, and I don't recall actually turning any wrenches on the car yesterday. Yesterday I spent most of the day actually up at the junkyard pulling parts for the green S70, which is now in the garage here and has already become a table. It's just temporary here. But what you see here is the most important piece. This is the new sunroof assembly to go in this car. Thankfully I didn't find it too hard to extract that from a junkyard car. I actually also got a headliner, because you can see here the headliner is buckled and damaged. So I actually had bought some spray glue to fix this headliner, but the headliner in the car from which I got this sunroof was in pretty nice shape, so I decided to take that with me too. But back to the silver S70. So I actually didn't turn any wrenches on the car yesterday, but I did today, and I got it all done. I believe that's every last thing I wanted to do. So you can see here it is inspected and fully legal. And here is the interior, which, as you can see, is, although not perfect, it is in amazing shape for a car with 136,000 miles on it. I actually got the stereo installed today. So there's the stereo, and there's the plug-in Bluetooth unit that keep the same one in all the cars. It's cheap on Amazon, and they do a pretty good job. Show you the back seat here. So the only remaining thing that's basically untested is the air conditioning, and I'll test that when the weather's a bit warmer. Just see a couple of spots here that could stand a better cleaning in the interior, but everything's been wiped down and disinfected, so I'm not worried about that. So yeah, this car is ready to drive now. I did take it on a test drive last night, about 15 miles, and I will drive it into work tomorrow. It's been running and driving well, and I even got under the hood today and did swap over the polyurethane engine mount from the other car. So this one is good to go, which means I get my green S70 back. You can see here the trunk is a little staining in the carpet, but other than that, it's cleaned out and ready for use. So I'm actually not going to take you on a test drive. I mean, test driving a base model S70 isn't going to be very exciting, and I do have a lot of work to do getting that sunroof into the other car. So, but here it is. This is a walk around. This project is over, so thanks to everybody for watching along, and I don't believe I'm going to do a video on the S70 sunroof. Robert DIY has a good video on that, and believe it or not, it's actually a surprisingly straightforward job. Dropping the headliner is the big part of it, and even that's not too difficult. So just watch his video and he'll run you through the basics on that. Other than that, you just unplug the power to the sunroof motor, I believe, and then unbolt the sunroof assembly, drop it out, and the only way I was able to get it out of the car was to extract it through the trunk. So that's the way I'd recommend you do that. So this is Mercedes Diesel Guy. Thanks for watching.